Hello everyone and welcome back to our High Tea Lives. I have missed all of you and I'm so glad to be back live today. And the best thing about today's life is that I'm having high tea with a very dear friend Sharad Malhotra. I have to tell you all a little secret. Back in the days when I used to do journalism and I used to write as a freelancer for a lot of leading publications, he was one of the first few actors I interviewed then, and today again back in life I'm going to interview him and have some fun. We're not going to go back to the usual of how he did his debut, what shows he's done, because I'm sure you fans know it all. Maybe you all know much more than me. But we are going to have some nice fun questions with him and know how's his quarantine going, what's happening with him, how's he keeping himself busy, and let's check if he has joined us live. So I have got a lot of questions and he should be here soon. I'm sure he's preparing his high tea to come. What are you all having? I'm having some nice masala adrak wali chai. What are you having? Hello everyone, and thank you for sending me your DMs and promoting the live chat and coming today live. I'm sure you all are equally excited to go live with Sharad and ask him stuff like I am super excited. And hi Ashi, hi Dyalan, hi Samriti, hi PNMN53, hey Vikas, hey Dalina, it's me underscore Zara193. Yes, even I'm waiting for Sharad. Hello Jyotsna. So like I said, we just have like 40 minutes, so I'm going to try and ask majority of the questions that you all have sent across. But in case I can't, we're going to ask him to join us again, क्योंकि live chats तो चलती रहेंगी, and y'all can still pour in the questions, and if not today, we can ask him soon. So which is your favorite show of Sharad that you've enjoyed? Which of his movie have you enjoyed? Have you all watched the digital short films that he's done? Because if I would go and ask him about all of those questions, I would have too much to ask. And I have been asking him these questions, I think, from the time he started his television debut. So then I wanted to do something different and have some more fun. Okay. Khushi underscore Tanshi Creations, bonding with Kritika Man. Sure, we shall ask. What did he plan for Kritika's birthday? Okay. Hello Vivek Kapoor. Hello Dr. Rasna. Hello Dr. Joe. Tanu underscore Sharad 009. I'm fine and I'm very excited for the live chat today. Dr. Joe, good to see you back, beautiful. Thank you so much. It's the love of you all that has got me back to life and back to something that I really enjoy, connecting with you all and getting all our beautiful friends to connect with you all. Rash Mirao. Great. We should tell Sharad to do web series on your behalf, and let's hope that he gets a good web series that he enjoys doing, and hopefully he'll be soon. Shubham Katib, congratulations to you and your team Spotless. Thank you so much, Shubham. I hope you really enjoyed the movie, and please do spread the message of Spotless. That's very sweet of you. Vivek Kapoor 9, I'm waiting to go live with you tomorrow on Saturday. Sorry, not tomorrow, on Saturday. I'm going live with Vivek Kapoor 9, and there you can ask me all that you want to ask about me, because that is where I'm going to be interviewed, and I'm really nervous about that one. Where is Sharad? Sharad is right here. He's preparing his coffee or tea, and he should join us really soon. So let's check. Is Sharad here? Yes, Sharad की चाय ना बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम ले रही है टकने के लिए. I think we should just tell him that he's already, but that's Sharad. He's always late when it comes to friends. So in the meantime, we shall bond and enjoy our high tea. Dr. Joe, when are you coming live with me and with Vivek? You have 2 lives to do. So tell us, when can we take you live? By the way, somebody just asked me, am I a coffee person or a tea person? Actually, I'm a coffee person, but today, since we were doing high tea, I have made this special adrak wali chai, masala chai. But otherwise, I'm a total coffee person. Hello, friend Vishal11947. Hello, Dr. Saju. Tanu underscore Sharad 009. Oh, Sharad, I love you so much. I'm sure he loves all you fans equally. शरद बस आ रहा है, उसकी चाय उबल रही है, तो he should be here really soon. Hello, Sonal. And so, besides his shows, what other things you all want to know? Like, a lot of people send me questions like, what is his funniest moment and what has he been up to in quarantine? Does he plan to do a singing debut? Somebody also asked me that what would he do, where would he want to travel the first time he travels after quarantine. So if there are some more questions like that besides his acting and besides his TV shows and besides his web series, then please go ahead and send me those DMs, because today's high tea is just about friendship and quarantine and knowing Sharad more than just an actor. F underscore A underscore Khaja, hello from Bombay. And okay, he should be here. Okay, he's still not here, which is okay. I get more time with y'all. Sharad Universe, my piece. I'm sorry I can't check your DM right now, so maybe you can put in your question here, and if I can, I will definitely ask him right now. आई नो जितनी जल्दी गोपीशु आपको है उतनी जल्दी मुझे भी है, तो शरद आप लोग के लिए तैयार हो रहा है. सो ही शुड बी योर लाइक सुपर सून, बिकॉज जस्ट बिफोर गोइंग लाइव आई चेक्ड विद हिम. सो what bond do Sharad have with okay, we shall ask that. Where is Sharad sir? Saigal Sahiba, Sharad sir is getting ready to join us live, and he's all set to ask and answer all about, apart from acting, what else is his passion. That's a really nice question, Rasna Kapoor. We shall ask him that, and that fits our live chat today perfectly. TomJerry.Crusher, I shall, but if you want to ask some question which is not connected to his TV shows, it would be amazing. Dr. Joe, my time away from Instagram. Well, when I was away from Instagram, I did miss all of you, and I missed doing the fun stuff that I do on Insta. But I did a lot more of painting, reading, and watching a show. Right now, I'm glued to this show called Artugul on Netflix, which has just transported me to Turkey. Yes, I did say something about Sharad Garimat 117. I think as a friend, he is fab. I have known him since 2007. It's a decade almost. Like, I've known him really long, and I think I can vouch when it comes to friendship. You can't have a better friend than Sharad. He's really sweet as a friend, and I'm really lucky to have him as a friend. Like, he's amazing as a person, as a friend. Okay. TV पे comeback कब करेंगे? I'm sure he'll have a comeback really soon, maybe post quarantine. He's always been there on TV, so I'm sure that's gonna be really soon. Tanu underscore Sharad underscore 9 Tanishka. What about Ripsy ma'am? I think she's a darling, and they're perfectly made for each other. I think I bond with her now more than Sharad. She's that sweet. Hi Melissa. What does Sharad prefer more, Instagram or Twitter? Yeah, that's a question that we should ask him. Which is the app that he uses the most? Where can we see his short film Pasta? That's a nice question. Abhinav Gogia, hello. Hello Abhin Sadeja, and Sharad Malhotra is finally here. So let's ask him all the questions you want to ask. And we've sent him a request. We are connecting. Hello. मतलब
Hello, how are you?
I'm good. How are you? इतना क्या ready होना था? You're like fully 13 minutes late, and we
Huh?
have so many questions for you.
Just wash my face, yaar. I have to
अरे
like wash my face with you. You're like all decked up and all, yaar.
अरे I'm coming with the hero for high tea, so I had to be like all ready, na? Your
So I am
friends are
coming.
like full
I'm
on.
coming with like a multi-talented personality, yaar. You're like multitasking all the time.
Look who's
कभी
saying.
acting, कभी singing, कभी painting, कभी drawing, कभी sketching. Everything you're doing, huh?
Just
Playing with the
like you, na?
dogs.
Just like you also keep doing
I
everything.
am very happy with my acting ka dukaan. Trust me.
Yeah, you're acting ka dukaan, I can see, but today we are not going to talk
क्या हो
about
रहा है?
the
What's up?
waiting for you to start the high tea.
I I can't hear you. One sec. Not loud enough. Not
Oh,
audible.
shoot.
Huh.
Can you hear me now?
Yes. I can hear you now, loud and clear.
So before you came, I was telling everyone that how I started, like if we go back to our friendship, even there I was interviewing you. The first time I came and I interviewed you. And today, after
Uh,
a decade, again we are having an interview
I
like
think
this.
I think good. I think 11, 12 years, yeah.
I swear. So when I was writing the question, I'm like, shit, this just takes me back in time when you were shooting and I'm like waiting to interview you.
Seriously, I think no, this was SJ Studio,
Yeah.
correct?
And then वहां से
I
जो
have a
दोस्ती
very
शुरू हुई.
photographic memory.
Yeah,
Uh,
because you can't forget a friend like me, okay? You are very blessed to have a friend like me. So,
Absolutely. बोलो
so like we
क्या
discussed,
चाहिए?
I'm not going to ask you debut कैसे हुआ क्योंकि आपकी जो acting की दुकान है वो तो full on है मतलब the number of shows you've
हाँ
done, web films you've done and short films you've done मतलब कुछ है ही नहीं. Like it's like a dukan and 40 minutes is not enough. But a lot of your
हाँ
fans want to know what Sharad does besides acting. So I'm gonna ask questions like I keep asking you when we go out for coffee. Something very casual. And why are you blurred?
One sec, hold on. Is it better now?
Yeah, it's better now.
Is it better?
Better, better.
Is it better now?
Better. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's
great.
a little muffled, but हाँ. I can hear you. हाँ.
You can hear me now?
थोड़ा muffled है, but I can hear you. Yeah.
Anet.
I
Okay,
think
you're
the
back.
network is not too great. बोलो.
Arey, your net is buffering, yeah. What to do? Okay, you're
Everything
back
is
now
buffering
because I
right
can
now.
only see buffering.
Right now in listen, right now in this point, everyone and everything is buffering.
Okay.
बोलो.
So,
Yeah.
tell me, what was the funniest moment of your life when you started your acting career?
Funniest moment. Uh, I think the most funniest thing was for me as an actor to believe I could act. I mean, believe myself. Actually, make myself believe rather that I could act. I think that's the funniest thing. I think my parents
Really?
still don't believe and they can't fathom the idea that I am an actor today. Like my mom still tells me that we could never imagine you being an actor. So I think that is really funny. And every time my mom discusses, she laughs. And she's like, literally, for her, it's very hilarious because I have totally been away from movies and TV as a kid. We used to be so much in sports and completely like an outdoor guy. On the field, uh, love eating. Could eat all day. But TV and movies and drama and entertainment and stage and theater, it was never in my itinerary. So I think that's something I think my entire family finds it very funny when they see me act on screen now, and they find it very difficult to believe what I'm doing. It's very difficult for me to convince them. The whole world will get convinced, but my parents will take a while. It'll take a while for them to kind of absorb that I'm actually acting. Uh, I think apart from that, I think Shweta as an actor, I think I'm sure even you kind of you have moments on screen which are like
Yeah.
super funny, which you don't even plan or you don't even rehearse, you don't even work out like before the scene, before the action, it just happens. It's very spur of the moment kind of thing. So I think those moments are very, very hilarious. And I remember as a kid, this character I was playing when I played a kid in my first show, Dulan. So I remember one scene when I had to literally, take a couple of steps back, and so there were like three of us, like there are like three characters. Everyone's taking a step back. Okay, so the first person takes a step back, then the second person, then I take a step back. So we all followed, and then finally, I didn't know there was like a table right behind me. So the first guy took, the second guy took, and the third guy took, and I just toppled over. And there was completely like pin drop silence on set because they couldn't see me anywhere in the frame. So I mean, it was funny because it was my first show, and it was very embarrassing also because you want to prove you're like good, and you want to create that impression and all. So I think a lot of moments happen. Yeah, a lot of moments happen on screen, off screen, and that's what kind of you just cherish those moments, and you want to remember those moments. I
Totally.
mean, as
There
a
are times you just laugh, like suddenly they come to you and you're laughing over something that's happened long time back.
yeah, I think people just kind of and then when the cut happens and you realize, oh shit, what have I done? That is the most embarrassing situation. But then बाकी तो ठीक है यार, the dialogues and the monologues and all of that is fine, but these in between moments, in between the lines, which really really stay with you.
So, you said you were a person who was not into like acting or TV, like filmy bana bilkul nahi tha bachpan mein. And that's why
बिल्कुल.
till today family can't accept it, be it mom, dad, sister, or anyone that. So how come the keeda bit you? Like how come you thought कि मुझे acting करनी है?
Yeah, it was actually it wasn't like a kida kida, but then there was this. I don't know if you heard of this Z Cinestars ki Khoj, which happened
Yeah, where you
back in
were
the
a
day.
contestant, yeah.
Yeah, so I was a contestant from Calcutta, and uh, one of my friends just kind of pushed me into it. I was not interested at all, and I was a lot into cricket. And I remember telling my parents and all my friends and my family that I'll be playing for the country, and like everybody kind of aspires to. Uh, but then I just enrolled myself in that contest, and they called me for it. The audition happened, the look test happened. Then I got shortlisted. Um, I fortunately won that from Calcutta, the entire Eastern Zone. And then I got shortlisted for the Bombay. We had like a little another shortlisted. The contestants all over the country, they were called to Bombay as well. And then we had a little, what should I say, a little contest here as well, where the finale happened and all of that. So things just kept happening, and I had never planned. Like the acting bug was never bitten. I mean, it never bit. Actually, it never bit me, and there was nothing that actually pushed me towards acting, like intentionally. I was never inclined towards it, like I said. So there was no filmy panthi, there was no hero panthi. There was nothing like I want to like run down trees or probably ride horses or jump from a 10th floor building or ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था यार. I was absolutely a non-filmy कीड़ा. But पता नहीं वो कहते हैं ना, जब when he wants you to do something, then it
It
just happens. Yeah.
automatically
I'm
happens.
sure.
Yeah, true
I'm sure
that.
same with you also. I think I'm sure same with you because I remember like you were like into a lot into writing and you were like in love with your pen. And then suddenly I see you like performing in front of the camera, like wow, man. And then I see you painting and sketching, and so things happen. You
Yeah,
don't. You
things
don't.
just
Many
happen.
times we don't. Yeah. So many times we don't plan, and life just takes its own course, and it's beautiful. So just trust and go with the flow.
So when you told your family that you're participating in something like this, what was the first reaction when you just told them, "अच्छा मैं ये कर रहा हूँ"?
अरे बकवास है, बकवास ये सब नहीं. ये क्या टाइम पास कर रहा है, चलो यार क्या. My mom was like, my mom was like absolutely like you know, completely overweight, in love with my sport, doing all the possible badmashi, you know. But I mean, the moment I told my mom that I'm participating in a contest and it's like a talent contest, and she was like, "This is rubbish. I mean, what are you doing? You're wasting your time. I mean, this is not you, you know." So, but then I happened to win, and I think after I won the contest is when they took me seriously. I mean, when I actually took myself seriously also. उसके पहले तो I was just टाइम पास मैन कि हो जाएगा, ठीक है, हो गया नहीं हुआ तो क्रिकेट तो है ना, क्रिकेट लेंगे.
Okay, and we are buffering again. Okay, so while we are buffering, I'm sorry I'm not able to ask a lot of your questions, but I am going to keep asking questions as and when I can. Just cooperate with us while the internet is not cooperating. So just some more time and we shall have it back. Sharad, तेरा internet को क्या हो क्या हो? Okay, there you're back. You are buffering again and I had lost you.
Yeah, is it better now? Can you hear me?
Yeah, now I can hear you. Okay, so like you said, we have a lot of moments and we do, like every time we're performing something, there is either a funny moment, there's some or the other story. But you've done a lot of live shows, like be it performing for award shows and everything. Any embarrassing moment while you were doing any of the live shows?
Hmm? I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Okay, a fan of yours is
You
asking
breaking.
what is your favorite color?
My favorite color, it's usually black, but I've been wearing a lot of black last few days. So I thought थोड़ा लाइफ में थोड़ा कलर लाते हैं, क्योंकि तेरे साथ कर रहा हूँ यार, तो
फिर भी
थोड़ा
ब्लैक
रेड भी
है,
होना
ब्लैक
चाहिए.
के साथ रेड लाया है.
नहीं तो मैं कहा तेरे साथ कर रहा हूँ, it's with you ना, तो थोड़ी थोड़ी कलर जरूरत है लाइफ में यार. So I thought let me wear this red and black with you.
And that's why I also twinned with you, black and red. I was like, अब मैं कहाँ से रेड हूँ, तो
Black
मैंने
and
रेड
red,
लिपस्टिक लगा
black and
ली.
red.
Okay, a fan is
Yeah, yeah.
asking your favorite sweet dish.
Favorite sweet dish has to be rasmalai, yaar. All time favorite.
Okay. Your most embarrassing moment on a live show while you were doing a live performance somewhere.
My dhoti fell off. I was playing this character of Devs, and my dhoti came off, and I didn't know where to look. I just held my dhoti and I ran off the stage. So that was Devdas without the dhoti. So that was really bad. Yeah, that
Okay.
was kind of I think my
I can
first most
imagine.
embarrassing. Yeah, I mean, in front of, I mean, I was, imagine you don't even know acting, yeah, because you've just got into the field and you getting to understand the entire concept of it. And in front of like hundreds of people, you're into your lines and all at, full Devdas wali feel. आँख में आंसू and हाथ में बोतल and all, and बोलते बोलते कि एक दिन ऐसा आएगा कि माँ कहेगी दुनिया छोड़ दो, कट्टू मेरी धूती ने मुझे छोड़ दिया और नहीं रह गई.
मेरे साथ स्टेज पे एक
So,
बार ऐसे हुआ था and I didn't know what to do and I just ran off. Like I had to change into a costume and assistant costume रखना भूल गई. Are you there? Okay,
yeah,
Ripsi is
can you
here.
can you
So,
hear me?
hey Ripsi, hi. So glad you've joined us live.
Ripsi is everywhere. Ripsi is everywhere. Hello.
Yes, you better say hello अगर घर पे चाय चाहिए तो.
हाँ यार, मुझे यार मतलब बहुत सेवा कर रही है आजकल यार. She's been like an awesome,
Listen,
amazing wife with amazing cooked food.
she's literally a better
She's saying hi
half.
to you. She's saying hi to you also.
Yeah, she's literally a better half. I think, finally there's something good in your life.
Yeah, true, man, very true. The best is half.
बेस्ट half है, better half और एक ही half है.
अब तो देख, अब तो बोलना पड़ेगा यार.
Okay, tell me from all the characters you've played, which is your favorite character name of yours? Because every character had a different name.
Yeah, I think every character is special. Yeah, there's it's very difficult to kind of differentiate between one and the other, because I think they all are like they're like a part of you, and I'm sure as an actor even you believe that uh, every character means a lot. But having said that, I think my first show, I think Sagar Pratap Singh will always be very, very special for reasons, obviously, because it was my first show.
For sure.
And I think Maharaj Pratap, I think that also is very, very dear to me.
You know, you got a chance to play a historic character and go back in that era and all. But besides that, if you had to go back in some era, which one would it be?
Hmm.
So you got to play historic character
Hmm.
and you went back playing an era. So if you had to go back in any era, which one would it be?
Okay, that's interesting actually. I think I'd probably like to play I think Hitler.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
I think amazing personality, amazing. I think totally led.
are you
I
there?
think considered as one of the most brutal. Yeah, can you hear me now?
Okay, we have you back.
Yeah,
हिटलर के
can you hear
नाम
me
से
now?
इंटरनेट डर गया हाँ हिटलर के नाम से तेरा इंटरनेट डर गया और चला गया
हिटलर के नाम से सब डर जाते हैं यार. बोलो.
so
And I think also I think Hitler and I think also Bhagat Singh. I think these two characters really have fascinated the hell out of me, man.
okay so there is somebody asking me that if you became a PM for a day what would you do
PM for a day. Actually, I like to do a lot of things. Yeah, I think at the moment, I'm sure we all need a lot of tax relief in our life, considering I think things are so
totally
expensive now. And as actors, as non-actors, as common people, we are paying so much tax in the country. Yeah, I mean, इतना पैसा देते हैं हम लोग. So I think we need some relief. Yeah, we need some kind of tax rebate or some kind of uh, there has to be uh, somewhere where people feel that it's not like a burden to them, so I think that is something I think probably if not completely like a tax evasive thing, but maybe some kind of breathing space, which is very important.
yeah that is true right now that is something that everyone is looking
बहुत
forward to
contribution
यार
करती है. Yeah. But
मतलब
as a good citizen, I think we all should pay our taxes. I'm sure a lot of people do. But थोड़े कम पे करें तो बेटर होगा यार.
हाँ वो तो है ना ये टाइम पे स्पेशली जब काम की ये हालत है डेफिनेटली ओके
I think हाँ यार, that is definitely.
lot of people are asking your favorite cricketer
Oh, Sachin Tendulkar. Absolutely. No second thoughts. I grew up, yeah, literally like watching him, man. So
so if you had like if somebody would call you and say that you have to play Sachin Tendulkar and an entire biopic on him what would your reaction be
you're breaking up. You're breaking up. If you want me to play Sachin in his biopic,
like
I'll
imagine you
probably
got a call what would you do
पहले तो आप मस्त मस्त मतलब फुल मस्त गालियां एक दो होंगी यार क्या मजाक कर रहा है क्या बकवास कर रहा है उसके बाद I'll be like who the hell is like joking out. I mean it's so unbelievable and it's so unreal, but then when actually it'll sink in, and I think I'll probably I don't know, I think I'll just pass out for a while, man, because playing his I mean being a part of his biopic and playing him would be like anybody's dream come true, yeah, because the kind of journey he's had, it's magical, yeah. The kind of hard work and from where to where he's reached, inspiration to a different level. So yeah, Shweta, you're breaking
Okay,
up
so a
badly.
lot of
I
people
can't
are
hear you.
asking why don't यार प्लीज अपना इंटरनेट सॉर्ट कर दे.
यार मेरा इंटरनेट बहुत अच्छा है यार. मैं उसी के सहारे जी रहा हूँ अभी यार. Literally, thanks to my internet, we actually watching our movies and all.
So what are you binging on the most right now?
We're binging on anything and everything right now. There's no particular like genre, but we've been watching a lot of like I've been watching particularly a lot of series. So I think right now I think we're watching 13 Reasons Why, which is again it's very interesting. It's actually you know it it's somewhere kind of highlights about the different social the issues which like if you take maybe like a suicide, or if you take about depression, especially nowadays people are talking about it. So the lot of points which can actually be highlighted watching the series, and probably you can it also somewhere kind of enlightens you also, in case if there's somebody going through a um, uh, certain disease, or probably a certain phase in life. All of us go through depression or sadness, or we feel low or something, or maybe a bullying in your college or university or school. So I think it's good to watch and kind of understand that how we can actually cope with it. So I think it's a brilliant series. It somewhere kind of teaches you a lot. It enlightens you. It makes you aware of things happening around. And so yeah, so I think that Money Heist, um, Patal Lok, so many of them. Yeah, I think we've been watching some really good content.
So tell me, if you had to describe yourself with a movie title, what would it be?
I'm sorry. What? I get you.
If you had to describe yourself as a movie title, which movie title?
Movie title. Hmm. Oh, that's interesting. A movie title. Wow. Uh, जो जीता वही सिकंदर.
अरे वाह. Superb. I
और
knew
जो
that
हारा
was
वो बंदर.
coming. I knew
और जो
that was
हारा वो
coming.
बंदर.
मेरे को सुनाई नहीं दे रहा है आगे क्या बोल रहा तू.
और जो हारा वो बंदर. Yeah. How
Okay.
how about you? How about you? How about you?
Okay. I've never given it a thought actually. Which one would it be if it was for
See,
me?
exactly. You just caught by surprise, man. Absolutely.
Totally. I think I would just call it That's My Goal, the play that I'm doing. Can it be the play ka series instead of? Because I think that's totally me. That's my goal. Yeah.
That says a lot about you.
Yeah, I think so. See, I'm used to being on the side of interviewing, na? तो अचानक जब question आता है, I get damn confused. I'm like, what would I say here?
ऐसे ही ऐसे ही होता है. जब गूगली आती है तो ऐसे ही होता है.
मुझे
I
क्रिकेट
say
में
you're
कुछ
you're also
समझ
an
नहीं.
actor. So don't forget that.
हाँ?
I say you're also an actor now, so don't forget that.
Oh yeah.
You're like on the same side. You're on the same side
There
now.
are times I'm on that side. Yeah, I agree with you. And then I have to remind myself, oh shit, I'm on that side today. Okay.
Ah.
So tell me, what is the app that you use the most on your phone?
Um. Definitely, there's no TikTok on my phone. Like a big no.
Thank God.
I've
Thank
never
God.
used TikTok. Maybe I think once I'd used, I think couple of years back, and that's it. I think apart from that, I think I've been using Instagram a lot, recently, off late. Yeah, so I think that I've been using more than I think Twitter or Facebook also. Facebook also I've just started now, but I think Instagram is what I've really been using, and surfing, and somewhere also at times talking. So yeah.
Okay. So, what would you do in your life if it wasn't acting?
What do I do? I didn't get you. I'm sorry.
What would you do in your life if you were not an actor?
If I was not an actor, um, like I said, if not an actor, I think probably I'd be playing some sport, definitely. If not, I would probably have a very boring life. Uh, maybe probably get into. Oh, by the way, I had plans to do my BBA, and I think a lot of people don't know this, but I had also applied for university in Australia, and this was for my BBA, and so my mom had given me an option actually that either you go to Australia or you go to no sorry I had given it because she didn't want me to go out of the country because I was too young, so she said you either Calcutta or you go to Bombay. I said हाँ Bombay Calcutta no. so तो उस चक्कर में I think actor बन गए. So I think if not probably a very boring 9 to 5 job. That's it.
Okay. What do you consider is your best talent according to you?
I'm sorry, what would I?
What do you consider yourself as, like, what is your best talent according to you yourself?
I'm sorry, it's a little muffled. I can't hear you. What standard?
What is your best talent?
Best salad.
Talent.
Best talent according to me. What is my best talent?
Besides acting, what do you think is your best talent?
अब खुद की तारीफ कैसे करे आदमी यार मतलब
अच्छा ठीक है रिप्सी के हिसाब से what is your best talent ठीक है
you should listen, you should ask her that, don't ask me. I'm sure you'll call up and you'll ask her that.
You already know me well. You know the next thing.
I know you little too well. I think music is something I think I'm really fond of. I think most of us we just love it's a language. I think it's one of the most beautiful languages. Music is like you just fall in love with it, so any kind of music. So I've also been learning the guitar for a while. So I wouldn't say it's like a talent, but yeah, so I think I really enjoy once in a while, when I'm probably just sitting all by myself, could be 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, I just pick up my guitar and I start playing. So that's something which maybe I could cultivate and I could probably work on it.
So, what music do you like the most? Bollywood, English, house? What is your favorite music?
I think stuff. I think also a lot of can you hear me? Can you hear me?
I can't hear you. I can't see you. You are.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, now I can hear you. So, your favorite music?
So I think it's regular English, regular commercial. I used to listen to a lot of psychedelic when I was in college, so that would be, that was like years back. Maybe once in a while when I feel like, when I'm in that kind of a zone, when I want just listen to some hardcore EDM, I love a lot of classics, man. I think the yesteryear songs, if you hear, fab, yeah. I think it's. I mean, you can't compare today's tracks to these classic old, evergreen Bollywood, or you can say your English tracks. I think they've been fabulous, yeah. I really miss maybe like like if you have like the likes of Kishore Kumar or R.D. Burman, or you have many of them, Mohammad Rafi, and and then you have it's like the list goes on, and you could listen to them all day, So I'm a little old school when it comes to that, but it depends actually on the mood.
So, any favorite song lately that you've been tripping on past few days?
And also, you know what? I just remembered. I used to also listen to a lot of instrumental in between. There was a phase. So this guy called Yanni, I'm sure you must have heard of him.
Oh yeah, I
So-
love him.
Yeah.
Like
so
when I hear his music, it just takes you to a high. Like how?
So that was a phase also when you could just sit in the car, drive around for like hours and just listen to him, you know. So yeah, so I think there are all the phases in life you just enjoy. So and then there was Michael
Okay.
Jackson also. So
Yeah.
anyways, yeah.
So now I'm going to ask you very simple since we've like hardly 5 minutes left for our Insta live. I'm going to ask you a very simple this or that. Okay?
This or that.
So,
Okay.
yeah. Popcorn or chocolate?
That chocolate.
Favorite chocolate?
That chocolate.
That was someone's great favorite chocolate.
I love chocolates, huh? Let me tell you.
I know that.
My fridge, I make sure my fridge is full of chocolates. And that's something Ripsi doesn't like at all. she always asks me, chocolates khata kaun hai?
Favorite chocolate.
Shweta, the next time, if you come to my house, I will only make you have chocolates, trust me. Because I myself, I might not eat a lot of chocolates because considering we have to kind of, you know,
Maintain.
keep a health, keep a check on our weight and all of that. But I make sure there are like chocolates in my fridge. So
Ripsy, I'm coming to eat chocolates.
complete
Like,
chocolate. Huh?
favorite chocolate. Favorite chocolate.
Favorite chocolate. But having said that, I think Toblerone. And the fruit and nut one.
Comedy or thriller?
Thriller.
Favorite thriller movie?
Oh, lots. Shit. There's so many of them, yeah.
कुछ तो बता दे.
तू बता यार मैं तो
मैं कॉमेडी वाली हूँ. तू थ्रिलर में बता दे.
यार oh, English or Hindi, what do you want?
Whatever you. One English, one Hindi. चल.
This is what happens, you know, when you watch so much stuff and then you go totally blind. I think Hindi. I think a thriller. I think a Hindi thriller would be. I loved Wednesday. I think that was amazing.
Yeah.
Amazing film. And I think English. I think my God, they are like. Shit, I'm going blank here right now. There's so many of them here. Okay, you just name an actor and I'll tell you.
Shit, I can't think of anything when it comes to thriller because I barely watch English thrillers.
Okay, comedy. I'll tell you. I mean, I think we
tell me
just.
comedy.
You know, okay. I think. Tell me an actor. Tell me an actor.
Comedy or thriller?
No, whatever. I think thriller.
Thriller. Shit, I can think of books, yeah, thriller books. I can't think of thriller movies. What is happening? Okay, I'll just go on the next question.
Yeah, you know, they're like it's just. I mean,
You know, right now I can think of thriller books. I have like 5 titles in my head when it's coming to thriller books, but movie-wise, मेरे को click ही नहीं हो रहा
okay,
है.
thriller. Okay. Thriller and suspense would be Shakespeare. Okay. Not the series. I'm talking about the film.
Okay.
Sherlock Holmes.
Okay. Even
Okay,
Knives Out, Johnny Depp. Have you seen?
I'm sorry, I didn't get you.
Have you seen Agatha Christie?
Agatha Christie. Yeah. Johnny Depp.
Yes.
Yes.
Knives Out.
I think, my God, there's so many here right now. I think I've also been watching a lot of horror recently here. I've
Horror
been
is
watching.
something I can't watch.
I watched Lights Out. I watched Conjuring. I watched The Nun. I watched. I've been watching the series called The Dark. You know, I've been watching so much of ominous kind of stuff and dark and edgy that thrillers like off my memory right now. Yeah.
Here's my next question. That horror or whatever. So we've already got there. Okay, you like watching stuff at home or going to cinema halls?
I didn't get you. I'm sorry. What?
You like watching stuff at home or going to cinema hall?
Definitely watching it on the big screen.
Uh, romance movie or action?
Action man.
Favorite
लाइफ में
action
बहुत
movie?
रोमांस है. पूरा एक्शन देखने का अभी.
Okay, let me not comment here. Let's go ahead. Favorite action movie?
Favorite action movie anytime would be action and inspiring. Would be I think Terminator, Predator, True Lies. I mean Arnold is my favorite, so I can go on and on. And then yeah, there's like it just goes on and on. So yeah,
Okay, Disney or Marvel?
I'm sorry.
Disney or Marvel?
Marvel, Disney also, but Marvel is more. Yeah.
Favorite Marvel character?
Favorite character? Superman.
Okay. You like to rewatch a series or always look forward for a new one?
I don't mind also rewatching it. I mean, if it's really like it's got me hooked onto it. Like I wouldn't mind watching Money Heist again. But definitely, prefer watching new series. So yeah.
Favorite Money Heist character besides the professor, if it is professor?
Berlin.
Okay. You like watching in company or on your own?
Well, I've been having great company for last 3 months, but usually it was alone before that. So yeah.
That is as good as alone. यार तुम लोग you're a one now, so that's not counted as company. So ठीक है. Okay.
ठीक है.
Musical or science fiction?
Huh?
Musical or science fiction?
I liked La La Land also.
Oh, it's my
But
favorite in musical.
yeah, I mean, but I think I'll probably go for a science fiction.
Favorite science fiction?
My choices are a little weird, bizarre. I think I'll probably go for an Alien, or probably Prometheus, or probably The Martian. Yeah, so I think there are quite a few.
Okay, movie marathon or just one movie a day?
I'm sorry?
Movie marathon or just one movie a day? If you had to describe yourself in 5 words, what would it be?
In 5 words. I don't want to sound too pompous about it.
Okay,
but you're like pushing me to it, so I'll say it, yeah.
Please say
it. I am simply the best. The kind of question you're asking me, it's really kind of it makes kind of reinstates that your self-belief a lot. that yes, you are like you are good, and thank you so much. I think in the midst of this house arrest and the lockdown, I think we all need to feel good about ourselves. Yeah.
No, we totally agree with you. You are simply the best, and thank you for coming live today. And कुछ अपने प्यारे फैंस को जाते हुए बोलना है आपको?
Yeah, बहुत सारे questions है श्वेता यार. They're like
I know, but since Insta is going to throw us out, so before going, if you want to say something to your lovely fans.
Yeah, I think first things first, I think thank you. I think this was long due, and I think usually get to meet you during the Ganpati festival, or probably bump into you somewhere. So, but it's so nice to see like a gorgeous face.
Oh, thank you.
asking me some very interesting questions, and we're having a nice hero. What was that?
High tea with
Hero
hero.
ke saath chai or whatever. Hero ke saath chai and something of that sort. So thank you for a great evening session. I think it's been simply amazing. And I think the fans also need to really thank you for this. Uh, they are amazing. Shweta, the best part is that you know the fans usually they want to know so much about you that the way you must spend your day, and how you kind of meals you eat, and the films you watch, and thankfully you've asked me so much which we normally don't get asked.
True.
People usually ask us about the films or about the clothes we wear, and it's a very regular questions. So I think great. I think thank you. It's been fab, and lots of love to all these people out there who are so giving all the time. And yeah, so I just want to tell them that this is a period which has been a little disturbing for most of us. I mean, a lot of us, very upsetting for reasons. Um, it's also taken me a while to actually get out of it. I'm sure, considering the events that have taken place. But having said that, it's important to just believe in yourself, believe that good things are going to happen, and your physical health is very important, but your mental health is very important too. So I think good, think happy, stay happy, feel happy, and life will be great. So thank you so much. Of love to you
See you soon.
from Ritzi and myself, and keep smiling, keep shining the way you always do.
Thank you. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.